Tired of accidentally overwriting your sibling's game save or messing up your dad's carefully curated settings? I'm here to show you how to effortlessly switch users on your PS4. First, make sure your PS4 is powered on and you're looking at the home screen. Take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a row of icons and your current user profile picture on the far left. Navigate to your profile icon using the left directional button on your controller. Once it's highlighted, press the X button to select it. This brings up the quick menu. Now, scroll down using the directional buttons until you find the option labeled Power. Select Power with the X button, and another menu will appear. In this Power Options menu, you'll see several choices. The one we want is Switch User. Use the directional buttons to navigate down to Switch User and press the X button to select it. This takes you to a screen displaying all the user profiles registered on your PS4. Simply select the user you want to switch to using the directional buttons, and then press X. And there you have it. You're now logged in as the selected user, with access to their personalized game saves, settings, and PlayStation Network account. It's that easy. Enjoy seamless switching between users on your PS4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PS4 tips and tricks.